Hi, I'm Chris from Create Education, and we're here at Reading College today with the ETF, running an event about metal printing, 3D scanning and pressure forming.
I'm very interested in the Meiku pressure former. It's an impressive piece of kit, and I will be seriously looking into investing in that.
I realised that what I knew about production and 3D printing is very up to date, and I had no idea that metals could be not just aluminium or not just soft metals, but to see steel, stainless steel, titanium produced like that, parts produced like that. Extraordinary, really extraordinary.